case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1947, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Testa v. Katt, which centered on the supremacy of federal laws over state laws and the obligation of state courts to enforce federal statutes, including those involving penalties. The case arose when Testa, a buyer in Rhode Island, was overcharged by a seller in an automobile sale in 1944. According to the Emergency Price Control Act, Testa sued for 3 times the overcharge amount and attorney's fees. However, the Rhode Island State Supreme Court declined to enforce the law, arguing that it was a penal statute. This decision led Testa to appeal to the Supreme Court of the United States. The dispute in Testa v. Katt hinged on whether state courts could refuse to enforce federal laws, considering them foreign. The Supreme Court's ruling had far-reaching implications for the ability of state courts to enforce federal statutes. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled that state courts must enforce valid federal laws, regardless of their penal nature. The court held that state courts had jurisdiction to enforce the federal statute that penalized sellers for overcharging buyers. The state Supreme Court's decision to not enforce the statute was found to be erroneous, and the Supreme Court reversed this decision. Testa's case was subsequently sent back to the lower courts to proceed with his claim.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.